Hi, I'm Henry Castillo, and I want to talk about something happening just a few hours from Metro Manila, right here in Doña Remedios Trinidad, Bulacan. You may know it is a peaceful forested town, home to parts of the Sierra Madre mountain range, and one of the few remaining green lungs of the province. But what you might not know is that this place, this vital ecosystem, is under threat. More than 140 quarry permits have been already issued here, allowing companies to just dig, blast, and extract gravel and sell. And why? To meet the growing demand for construction materials in city. But at what cost? These forests are just scenery. They protect watersheds, regulate our climate, and provide water to millions through the Angat-Ibo-La Mesa system. If we keep ignoring this issue, we're not just losing land, we're putting our own water security and biodiversity at risk.